Guys, here is the next project that I'm making. This is gonna be this is the fabric, the dress, and them is all my pieces cut out, but I'm explaining to you guys. So this is the crisscross top, and when you cut, you're gonna cut two of these, guys. This is the back of the pattern. This is gonna be cut on the fold. This is the sleeve, and this is the arm cuff. So I'm going to go over on my fabrics and show you guys. This is the skirt, guys. So if you guys see, I got the skirt actually bigger than my waist. And I'm going to use this elastic to make it the same size as the dress. If you guys see, it's going to scrunch up like that, guys. And then it's going to have a one split right there. And these is the arm cuff. So these is the sleeve. These is the arm cuff. And this is the shirt, guys. And I have the shirt pinned together. So if you guys see, it crisscross over. And yes, guys, this is that very thin fabric. So with this dress, you will have to put a slip under it. But those will be your pieces, guys. So thank you guys so much. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So this is the finishing project of the dress that I made, and I have a split right here on the side. And like I said, this fabric doesn't have any spandex in it, so you have to make sure you get your measurements right. And it is a sheer fabric, guys, so I actually put on shorts underneath here. And like I say, this is the finishing results. And if you want to wear it like off your shoulders, you can kind of wear it off your shoulders, but it is a flowy, forgiving type of material. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching, guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of this beautiful dress that I made. This dress is very beautiful, flowy, and colorful, guys. So you guys should try out this project. Make awesome projects. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Happy sewing. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.